Two sauces, one winner. Silky Italian Bolognese versus spicy, creamy chicken Riggies. Which reigns at your table? Let's put them head to head. Flavor, time, cost, and leftovers. Cast your vote at the end. Welcome to Lay's Kitchen, where flavors are without borders. Today, two legends face off. The slow-simmered richness of Bolognese and the bold, creamy heat of chicken Riggies. I'll cook both, score them in 5 rounds, and you will pick the winner in the comments. Round 1. Origin and vibe. Bolognese is all about patience. A gently layered meat sauce that feels like a hug in a bowl. Chicken Riggies, big personality. Tender chicken, tangy tomato cream sauce, and spicy cherry peppers. One whispers comfort, the other sings weekend drama. Round 2. Ingredients and method. For Bolognese, I start with a sofrito. Onion, celery, and carrot, then ground beef and pork. Milk for that silky finish, a kiss of wine, tomatoes. Low and slow until it's glossy. For Riggies, I sear chicken, build a garlicky tomato base, stir in chopped hot cherry peppers, Calabrian chili, fresh jalapeno, finish with cream and cheese. Toss with penne, ideally penne rigate, so the ridges grab the sauce. Round 3. Flavor and texture. Bolognese, savory, gently sweet, nuanced. The sauce hugs each noodle in a satin coat. Riggies, bright, creamy, and pepper-forward with a playful heat. It's comfort food with a kick. Round 4. Time and effort. Bolognese shines when you can let it simmer. It rewards patience. Chicken Riggies is fast, perfect for busy nights. Round 5. Cost, crowd pleaser, and leftovers. Both are budget-friendly, but Bolognese stretches beautifully and freezes like a dream. Riggies wins a potluck test. That creamy heat disappears fast at parties. Plating and pairings. I plate Bolognese on pappardelle with a snowfall of cheese. Pair with a Tuscan red. Riggies gets a glossy toss with penne. Finish with parsley. Try with a bright, slightly off-dry white. My scorecard. Flavor depth, Bolognese. Weeknight speed, Riggies. Make ahead, Bolognese. Party appeal, Riggies. Versatility, Thai. Your turn to break it. Tell me your winners in the comments. Hashtag Team Bolo or hashtag Team Riggies. If you want the full Bolognese tutorial, watch my Marcella-inspired sauce next. Craving heat? My chicken Riggies video is linked too. Subscribe for more global flavors with heart.